How to make money using WhatsApp. Hi, my viewers and listeners of Uwilwa TV. Today we are going to see on how to make money using WhatsApp. There are several ways to make money using WhatsApp. First way, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other businesses on your WhatsApp status or in group chats. Earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Follow me and listen very careful how to earn money in WhatsApp through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on WhatsApp, a step-by-step guide. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of other businesses and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. WhatsApp, with its vast user base and high engagement, offers a lucrative platform for affiliates. Here's a detailed breakdown of how to leverage WhatsApp for affiliate marketing, coupled with an illustrative example. 1. Choose a niche. Identify your area of interest. What topics or products are you passionate about? This will make your promotions more genuine and engaging. Example, if you're into fitness, you could promote fitness gear, workout plans, or nutrition supplements. 2. Find suitable affiliate programs. Research affiliate networks. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, ShareASale, or ClickBank offer a wide range of products and services to promote. Direct partnerships. Consider reaching out to businesses directly to inquire about their affiliate programs. Example, if you're passionate about travel, you could partner with travel booking websites or companies offering travel experiences. 3. Create valuable content. Share informative posts, provide tips, reviews, or recommendations related to the products or services you're promoting. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and questions to build trust and credibility. Example, if you're promoting a fitness tracker, share tips on using it effectively, tracking progress, and setting goals. 4. Build your WhatsApp audience. Create groups or broadcast lists, segment your contacts based on interests to tailor your promotions. Offer incentives, provide valuable content, exclusive offers, or giveaways to attract and retain subscribers. Example, create a WhatsApp group for fitness enthusiasts and share workout routines, healthy recipes, and motivational quotes. 5. Promote products ethically. Avoid spamming, respect your contacts' time and preferences. Be transparent, disclose your affiliate status and avoid misleading claims. Provide genuine value, focus on helping your audience find products that meet their needs. Example, share a personal experience with a product you've used and recommended based on your satisfaction. 6. Track your performance. Utilize affiliate program tools, monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze your WhatsApp metrics, see which content and promotions are most effective. Example, use your affiliate network's tracking tools to identify which products are generating the most sales through your WhatsApp referrals. Example scenario. Let's say you're passionate about cooking and want to promote a subscription box service that delivers gourmet ingredients and recipes. Niche, cooking and food. Affiliate program, partner with a popular subscription box service. Content, share cooking tips, recipes, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of the subscription boxes. Audience, create a WhatsApp group for cooking enthusiasts and share exclusive discounts or recipe ideas. Promotion: recommend the subscription box service based on your positive experience and offer a discount code to your group members. By following these steps and leveraging WhatsApp's features effectively, you can generate substantial income through affiliate marketing. Second way: selling digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, or software. Share the purchase links with your WhatsApp contacts. Third way: providing services. Offer your services like tutoring, graphic design, writing, or virtual assistance. Use WhatsApp to connect with potential clients and discuss your services. Fourth way: building a personal brand. Use WhatsApp to build a personal brand by sharing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and providing excellent customer service. Once you have a strong following, you can monetize your brand through sponsorships, partnerships, or selling your own products or services.